Are you up for a free month breathwork and sound therapy session? So this message is for you. Greetings, my name is Tiagi Ryan. I'm from Brazil and I have been developing this system. It's called RespiraSOM, which combines conscious breathwork with endogenous sound therapy, which means using the natural sounds of your voice for self-regulation and also for self-investigation. So this month of December, I'm going to be launching Academia Viva, which is my online school, with 2 free sessions. Each session is going to take about half an hour, and they're going to be happening every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 p.m. London time, Greenwich time, 9 p.m. CET, Central Europe time. And if you happen to be in America, if you are in New York, it's going to be 3 o'clock p.m. And on the West Coast, it's going to be midday. So come and join me. These sessions are going to be happening through Zoom. If you feel like this is for you, then consider joining me, okay? So the link is going to be in my bio. You need to register in the Zoom account, and I see you this Tuesday, hopefully, or next Thursday. Pela cura, much love.